Silk production begins not in factories, but on vast mulberry farms, feeding billions of silkworms.
Leaves move quickly from farms into rearing houses, where silkworm life cycles are tightly controlled.
Regular spacing and monitoring keep silkworms healthy as they rapidly increase in size. After weeks of feeding, silkworms prepare to spin cocoons that will become raw silk.
When fully grown, silkworms are moved to mountage frames to begin spinning silk cocoons.
Over several days, silkworms fully encase themselves, completing the cocoon formation process.
Mechanical harvesting systems increase efficiency while minimizing damage to freshly spun cocoons. Harvested cocoons now move forward, beginning their journey from biological growth to industrial silk. Rifling stops silkworm development, preserving silk filaments at their strongest and most valuable stage. Drying chambers reduce moisture precisely, preventing mold while preserving silk strength. Batch labeling ensures full traceability from silkworm farms to silk processing facilities. From rural farms, cocoons now travel toward factories where raw silk will be extracted. Raw silkworm cocoons arrive at processing factories, beginning the industrial phase of silk production.
Automated grading systems classify cocoons by size and weight for consistent silk extraction. Cocoons are separated by grade, matching silk quality with its most suitable end use.
After inspection, Cocoons are ready to enter reeling lines, where silk filaments are extracted.
Hot water soaking softens cocoon shells, unlocking silk filaments for smooth and controlled reeling. Several filaments merge into one thread, creating strength without sacrificing silk's smooth texture. Moisture control stabilizes freshly reeled silk, protecting strength and surface quality.
This is where silkworm cocoons become raw silk, powering the global silk industry.
Raw silk enters yarn processing, where strength and consistency are carefully engineered.
Careful washing completes degumming, preserving silk's purity and delicate fiber structure.
Warping aligns silk threads precisely, creating the foundation for high-quality woven fabric.
Prepared silk yarn now moves toward weaving, where fabric creation finally begins.
High-speed looms transform prepared silk yarn into continuous fabric through precise interlacing. Dyeing vats infuse silk with rich color through controlled heat and circulation.
Stretching frames refine silk texture, ensuring smoothness and dimensional stability. Finished silk fabric is rolled and prepared for global fashion markets. Precision cutting transforms finished silk fabric into components for luxury garments and textiles. Automated folding protects silk's smooth finish while preparing products for packaging.
Climate-controlled storage safeguards silk products before shipment to global markets. From silkworm farms to luxury fashion, silk completes an extraordinary global transformation.